This is an elaboration on my step 2, the Rubik's Revenge tutorial edge pairing. And what you do is you basically solve the edges using a principle called the break and restore principle. Most speed cubers should know this. I mean, all speed cubers should know this. What you do is you break something, insert, and restore. That's the concept, and it's used by intuition. So then we'll have to solve all 12 edge pairs. I don't know what these are called, but I'll just say edge A, edge 1, and edge 2. Okay, so first you have to find a pair, and so then, for example, forget the name of the edges. Okay, so then we have one part of the edge pair right here, and one part of the edge pair right here. In this case, green and orange. Green and orange. Now these two have to be paired up. Now to do that, you use the break and restore principle. That's what I call it. What you have to do is you have to match it up. You match it up. You bring this down here. So this down here. In case you didn't see that, I'll do that again. Let's find another edge pair. And it can be done on this side. So these two right here. And what this principle does is it matches these two and brings this down here, which has to be unsolved. If it's solved like this, it'll just break it up. So again, this principle solve this and brings this down here. So these two match up, bring up, tuck away in F, bring back down, and restore. Now let's find the other edges and do the same thing. Let's see. There's one right here. Again, it could be right here. So then put one unsolved edge right here. Break, bring up, tuck away in F, bring back down, and restore. And we will repeat with the rest. Now, there's a special case where unsolved edge pair, like yellow and blue, are opposite of each other, but is in lowercase u. And if it's in lowercase ud, you could just do F2, bring these two in the lowercase u, or you could just do Z2, which is turn the entire cube as if they were F. Now these two have to be set up in order to apply the principle. To do that, to set these two up, the algorithm is LIF, UI, LF. Thus, it sets up this and this to be solved. So we'll use the break and restore principle. This is an unsolved edge. Break, bring up, tuck away, bring back down, restore. Again, we'll repeat with this. These two. This is unsolved. Break, bring up, tuck away, bring down, restore. And these two are opposite of each other. So again, we'll do LI, F, UI, L, F. And this is unsolved. So we'll put right here. Bring together, bring up, tuck away, bring back down, restore. And now this is a special case. Sometimes after you pair up all 10 edges, you'll end up with 2 unsolved edges like this. And if you were to try and solve them, as you can see, there's no unsolved edge to replace this. So the algorithm to solve these two, see, the soon-to-be pairs have to be opposite of each other. The algorithm for this is capital D, lowercase di, r, fi, u, ri, f, lowercase capital D and lowercase d. And then after that, you have all your edges paired, and you would just solve it like a normal 3/3. I hope that helped. If you still want more questions, comments, or whatever, just send me a message.